Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by minimizing public exposure. Set your PS5 online status to appear offline so other PSN friends won't see you. Once done, confirm your Epic Games account is linked to the PSN profile you'll use, because privacy controls live across both systems. Make sure Fortnite is fully updated and launch it to reach the lobby. This step gives you access to Fortnite's in-game privacy and party controls, which you'll change next to stay anonymous. You now change Fortnite-specific controls so your presence is hidden inside the game. Go to Settings, then Account and Privacy. Set lobby privacy to private or friends only, and do the same for party privacy so random players can't see or join you. Next, turn off any in-game options that broadcast your online status or notify friends when you join a match. This prevents cross-platform friend lists from revealing you. Make sure to save changes before exiting, and test with a secondary account if possible. Finish by tightening audio and social settings. Disable proximity or global voice chat, or set voice to party only so strangers can't hear or identify you. Once done, test anonymity. Ask a friend to search for you or use a secondary account to confirm you appear offline. If you're still visible, make sure PSN shows appear offline, then log out and back into Fortnite so settings sync. If problems persist, unlink and relink Epic to PSN cautiously, because account linking sometimes requires a full resync to apply privacy changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.